We tossed and turned, they never went under. Now I want to sleep. They laughed and yelled, being too loud, so now I lie here and breathe. I'm so sick of it, every little bit. You will all be sorry. Hey Mom, I'll be gone. Don't worry, won't be long. I'll be home for dinner. I ran across the hinterlands, dashing straight for Faulkner's Hall. It's about time that I took a stand. I'm done with all your drunken glee, all your drunken glee. I saw the light burning so bright, I knew I had gotten there. I ran the door, it was no more. Look out, because Kendall is here. Charged into the hall, 14 men in all of them are sleeping. I walked up to the first one that I saw and pulled him out of bed. I shoved him into my papers. I had to dismember him first. When the person does 13 to go, I really hope that they will fit. Jesus would have ever seen a man who is as tall as me. And he is as casually, like he wasn't even scared of me. He wasn't scared of me. And he grabbed my arm. What the heck is going on? He wrestled me to the floor. Wait, I think I know this guy. He's slain 1,000 sea monsters. He must be here to kill me now. He tugged and then pulled off my arm. Pushed him off my chest, ran out of the hall. I need to get back home. I stumbled across the hinterlands, bloody bees and deeply dead. All I want now is to see my mom, but I don't think I might make it back. Something got through the fog. I'm stuck, now I'm almost there. I sure think I'll